Oh, hey guys. Hi. Hi. Hello, everyone. What's up, guys? Sorry, my son was texting me. Can my glasses be any more fucking crooked? Fuck. Now they look okay. All right. Let's see what the fuck is going on here. Hope you guys are having a good day, guys. Hope you're having a good day, chat. What a fucking pump. What a pump. We've just been in this fucking cuck range all morning, though. Basically, we're basically bear flagging if you look at the larger time frame. I'll show you in a second, all right, guys? Canute, Raphael, Taekwondo, Dimitri, Scott, Marco, Isaac, Just Ain't Right, Mwah, Susan, Hotshot, Carbonite. I did not trade the New York Open. J Min, Yasin. Who's that? Yasin or Yash? Hold on a second. It's one of you guys. Yasin. Yeah, this was basically the whole fucking shit. The Open, we dumped, like literally just melted, like flushed. J, GB, V33. There's only one, my G. There's a Yash, though, but not a Yasin. You're the only Yasin. Let me make sure. Let me just log into my fucking accounts and then. And then we'll fuck around. Raider. Yeah. It's tough when you you probably got caught trying to catch falling knives or some shit. I don't know. I feel for you though. At least some accounts grew. Sucks losing funded accounts though. Losing funded accounts are the fucking worst. The absolute fucking worst. Tay-Day, what up? You know what I'm saying, chat? I just lost an account right before I hopped on the stream. But that's not the only account I lost. Like, what caused this fucking pump? Let me turn my screen on. Hold up, though. Just want to make sure. Yeah, all right. I might have had some bulenox evaluations renew, too. So maybe we'll fuck around with those, too. All right. But yeah, it's fucking gross market. Look. All right. Well, let me look here. So this is. Yeah. This is basically the whole fucking day right here in a nutshell. That's it. All of this right here. Obviously, I mean, it's a large range. 232. Almost a 300-point range. We dumped and then we bounced and then we just been I mean, that was a 786 right there, basically. Just about. That was like a 618 or 707. You know, we came back to this level and bounced off of that, came back here. That's a 786. From here to here is a 786. 786. And from there, we fucking bounced over 200 points. Does it want the fucking VWAP? That's the $1 million question. Probably. But now it's going to go back to cucking. So it cucks, and then some fucking news comes out. We're back to this whole again. We're going to discuss the war. We're going to talk to Iran again. We're talking to Iran through a mediator. AI hunts for cyber flaws, finding record numbers in the tech sector. Yeah, sure. Iraq will not allow its territory to be used to launch attacks against neighboring countries after drone attacks on Saudi Arabia. Iraqi Prime Minister Media Office. I thought we own Iraq. Stock of crude oil, U.S. Strategic Petroleum Reserve, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Hoobity ha. It's amazing what tariffs will do for GM. Trump to discuss Iran and Abraham Accords with Netanyahu. Iran Central Command, any attempt at a blockade is equivalent to escalating the conflict. Same fucking. It's the same fucking shit over and over again. Oh, you want to see my take profit trader accounts? Oh, wait, they're gone because I blew them. That was cool. And what's fucked up is, I'll show you. I'll show you what I did. Well, if you were on my stream last night, you'll know that I started. I got off the stream. I had to get off because I had to literally physically leave to get my wife and daughter inside the casino when they were coming out of the movie theater. What's funny is they didn't come out for like 10 to 12 minutes, 15 minutes. I could have stayed and held the trade, and I would have been okay. I might have had a really fat day because of course it dropped right after. But I left down 1,800. Then I get it back. I'm green. This is realized. I'm green. And then I fucking, I don't know, do dumb shit. I should have just stayed in the long I was in. And I fucking blew the accounts. Here they are. Well, they're not blown yet, but they're almost blown. They're going to be blown right here. I think the next batch of take profit traders I get is going to be, I'm going to see if I could fucking do something with the 25Ks. I want to try with 25Ks again. Easy to pass, but I have yet to get a payout on a 25K. So that's take profit trader. I have not touched my trade days yet. Right after I fucking blew these, because I was trying to go short, right after I blew these, what did I do? I fucking went short in this Tradeify. Oh, wait. Well, all of them. I think I went short on all of them. This Tradeify one right here, this is on day 3. I'm on day 3 at 2,300. 777 on that funded growth. This is the brand new funded growth on the one this is the one I passed on Friday while I was streaming during Power Hour and I tried to activate it and trade it on Friday, but it just wouldn't give me the account. Probably because we were almost at the cutoff, but I traded it this morning right after I blew those take profit traders, of course. No problem trading those. 748, day 1. This I just did before the stream, right before the stream, right here, because I'm an idiot. But and then this right here, these three was back to back to back. $1,200. This is the select. This is 2 days in. It doesn't matter. Well, because it has a 40% consistency rule on the select evaluations, you need to trade a minimum of 3 days. So I got basically the most I could get before violating the 40% consistency rule. Yeah, I went over a couple of dollars. Whoop de fucking do. So I need 600. Let's just say I need like $610 or something like that. 605, 608. I don't know. Whatever the number is. Well, it'll tell me. Will it tell me? Select. It doesn't say what I need to take it to. It'd be cool if it told me what it took me to. What's the journal? This is the journal. No, is this the journal? Anyway, whatever. I know what I'm going to need to get. It's like $610 or some shit. Piece of cake, guys, right? How hard can it be? And then here are my fund, the futures. I haven't touched these yet. Kasalisk. It sucks, man. I'm sorry. Scout for the win. Oh. I know all about it. Maximus, what up? Sean, 9 to 5. Scott, gold's going to the moon. Is it, bro? Same. It's doing the same thing that the NQ did. It just took a little longer. But look, watch this, guys. $786, and from there we went up 724, almost 200 ticks, guys. But look where we rejected. Watch this, guys. Let's get rid of this. Actually, no, I'm going to leave it there because I don't care. It doesn't bother me. Oh, yeah, what a fucking surprise. Look where it rejected. Also, you got the fucking V. Is that the fucking VWAP? Is that the right spot for the fucking VWAP? Yeah. So you had some confluence. It overshot the VWAP and rejected up to 786. And so far, that is down 46 ticks and counting. And look at this, guys. The fibs, man. The fibs are fucking beautiful. 707. You see, guys, golden shower pocket. Beautiful thing. Not always, though, but a lot of the fucking time. Anyway, what do I want to do here? What do I want to do? Lucid's the shit. I don't know what the difference is between Lucid Daily and Lucid Pro. I feel like Lucid Daily you could get paid every day. I haven't been able to see it. I'm like Cash, I can't see the information. But you can get daily payouts on Lucid now. Which is crazy. The Discord is fucking funny. What is this shit? This is how it's going to be for fucking Power Hour? What is this? I mean, granted, that's fucking 30-something points. This is, look at this small shit right here. It's 30 points, that range. It looks like nothing, but it's not nothing, guys. It's not nothing. Oh, look at gold still going down, guys. Look at gold still going down, guys. $55 ticks. Lucid Daily News Trading not allowed? Yeah. Yo, NJ, the best shower is a golden shower. Facts. Yeah, no trade. Yeah, it's Casa List. It's a lot like Trade Day and Take Profit Trader. 5 to 50% consistency, max. What? AK in 1 day and you're live. I feel like AK will be the max. Okay. Hot shot. That's not bad. Robert Gallis. Robert Gallis, I can't, bro. I'm locked into max. Watch. I can't see shit. Oh, what is this? Optional. Okay. For now. Look, see, I can't see anything. I am locked in to max because I went live. This is all I could get is a max account. Let me try incognito. Look, I don't see them. I can't see them. Let me try on my other computer. Or a different browser. Maybe in fucking Brave. Yeah, I don't see them here either. I don't see them. And the FAQ doesn't really have much information on them. You see, guys, all I see here are I've seen other people posted screenshots in the Discord. They could see it. What is the discount? Are they offering a discount? What is it, 30%? Yassine, probably. What up, Sal? I am in my dashboard, bro. Sal, I am. This is my dashboard. I can't buy anything other than a max account because I went live. The only thing I could do was look for some information here. Lucid Daily funded account. Looks like Lucid Daily is intraday no matter what. But there's very limited information on here. If I go here to the plans, look, they're not even on here. For me. Because I'm special. Lucid Daily customization. You can customize your account at the time of purchase. 2 settings can be adjusted. Daily loss limit on or off, end of day or intraday. I'm pretty sure you're still intraday. You're still intraday on the funded side. But I'm not 100% sure. Benny, what up? I can't. I'm in the dashboard. I can't see shit. All I could see, because I went live, is max. That's all I could see. Intraday, Robert Gallis, thank you. Trending World, what up? Tyler. Yeah, intraday. Yeah, that's that's basically any prop firm account. Intraday until the buffers hit. They don't even tell you did they tell you what the buffer was? Let's see. Did they tell us what the buffer is? They don't even tell you what the buffer is yet. Nobody knows what the buffer is. It's probably similar to, from what I understand, it's similar to Rapid. My Fund the Futures Rapid. Anyway, let's see what the fuck is going on here. Yeah, this is just fucking gross. 100 over the drawdown. Okay. Yeah. Well, good. Hey, listen, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it because I can't buy one. Yeah, so it's just like My Fund the Futures. Can I say Maricela? Am I saying it right? Maricela? Who's that? Who's that? That's your daughter? Did I say it right? It's a My Fund the Futures Rapid with a lock button. Yeah, because My Fund the Futures does not use Tradeday prop. I just said it. Maricela. Stephen Cox. I want to trade, but this shit is annoying. This shit is so fucking annoying. Where's the next fucking level that I could possibly get a little fucking retracement or something? Maybe at the VWAP. The fucking VWAP. Vincenzo. Bowser. I'm on Bluetooth in the whip. Yassine. Here's what happened to me. Here's how it went for me. I got all these fucking payouts, right? All of these payouts. And then I fucking went, literally, look, March 16th, I didn't get a payout for almost 4 months. Literally, one more fucking week, and it would have been 4 months between payouts after I got all, everything you saw there. I got this payout here, my first payout in almost 4 months, and they pushed me live. So I don't know. I don't know how many payouts you got total. It's more about your total payouts than your payouts on the account. But if you go on a run and you take those payouts to what, 6 payouts? You take the same account to 5 or 6 payouts, they're going to push you live. But it's really also based on, that wasn't the case for me. It was based on the fact that I got like $3,000 worth of $34,000 worth of payouts or some shit like that before fee deductions. Bullhead Mike. Always talking about fucking, yeah. Scott, how old's your daughter? Bowser, what up? I got my baby girl. Yeah, 34G. Yeah, I mean, I was already 34. Right, it was like 33,485 before fees, and then I got 1,400 on that last one, and then they pushed me live. And then I fucked up the live. Because I was at 3,000 in equity, could have taken like 1,000 and had 2,000 left, and I decided to try to get more. I'm going to treat my lives a lot differently next time, whenever I get them back. I have a couple more days, and then I could buy. See, like, I think I could buy this account right now, but I can't trade it for a couple of days, so why give them money? Even though there's not a subscription, it's a one-time payment, but I don't know. Why even bother? In the meantime, what's gold doing? Our gold's curled back up. Yeah, they have this second chance account I could buy, which is just like a Lucid Max. Same idea. But I haven't heard from them yet. I might have to reach out to them and say, hey, can I grab one of those second chance accounts? Can you send me a link for the second chance account or make it available in my fucking dashboard so I could, try to go live again? How much am I up this year? I don't know the exact number, but it's probably like 40 or 50 grand or like 40 grand. I don't know. Something like that. Maybe more. I did 86,000 the first 2 months and barely spent any money. So I did 86,000. Then I did 13,197. Then I did like 2,300. January, February, March, April. May, what the fuck did I do in May? Like 6 grand? I don't remember what I did in May. Like, I think it was like 6 grand or 4 grand. It was like 4,500. Last month, I don't remember. And then last month I did like 9,400. And then this month I'm over 14,000. So I'm at about 130. I'm at about 130 in payouts this year to date. If I had to fucking guess how much I spent on accounts, I probably spent like shit. I might be up like 80 to 100 grand. Yeah, I'm up like 80 or 90 grand this year. Not bad for someone who people say fucking sucks at trading, right? Was most of it profits from trading gold? No, actually. Most of it was from the NQ. Coach Eddie, thank you, sir. Oh, no problem, Scott. Sloppy seconds account, pretty much. Pretty much, NJ, bro. Now with Apex, I'm never going to be able to trade sim again, I don't think. Yassine. Yeah, I'm up a good amount. And if I'm maybe I need to be more conservative. Maybe I'm up only 75 grand or 80 grand. I don't know, but I think it's more. Like literally those first 2 months were insane. I didn't spend a lot of money on accounts. Those first 2 months were fucking great. Jack Boom. Yeah, not bad for someone who guesses their way in and guesses their way out of trades. Exactly. Not bad for someone who doesn't trade ICT. I only put that in the thing just to see if it would matter. I'm gonna change the title now. TJP, Umar, what up? You know? People like to fucking talk shit. You know? Not everybody, obviously. I wonder if I'm more profitable than Dakota this year. The Golden Boy. The lead gloves. He's a lead gloves boxer. Tyler. Oh, make it happen, bro. How hard can it be? Piece of cake for you, bro. Coach Eddie. Coach Miyagi. Sand the floor. Coach Fred. Yeah, he'll try. Gian Rich. Yeah. Let's all trade Globex together. That sounds like fun. Yo, what up, Reed? That's good shit, man. That's good. So look at this. Why did it come here and reject? Why couldn't it go up? Let's see. Oh, wow. If we treat this as the high, I mean, it's like right at the 786, but I don't know. I hate the way this shit is moving, but that was like, look at this 50, 57. It dropped almost 80 points. One hour fair value gap. I don't trust any of that shit. No offense. Willie. Yeah, Willie, dude, it's not even worth it, bro. We're at the same address. They know. Are we at the orb? You know what we kind of wicked over yesterday's. We wicked over Friday's low a day. Look, we wicked over Friday's low a day, and we rejected off of this wick, the bottom of this candle, this wick right here. Interesting. You see, guys. Well, this is the electronic trading. Let's see regular trading hours. Where we at? Where we at here? We're not even near the orb yet. The bottom orb for New York, for the New York sessions right here. I don't like how this shit is moving. It's just fucking, I don't know. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, thanks, Cut. Oh, we're inside a 1 hour gap. Long Island Trader. Oh, where in Long Island are you? Umar, that's a good job, man. But yeah, today's price action is S. This was basically the whole fucking New York session right here. This is the whole New York session. iTrades, what's up? Cut, not yet. Not yet. You're doing it, yo, bro. Yeah, wine dance. You're funny, bro. Long Island Trader. Before I moved to Vegas, I was in Holtzville for 10 years. I grew up in Valley Stream. Then I was in Patchogue. Then I was in Ronkonkoma. Then I was in Shirley. Then we bought a house. Me and my wife bought a house in Holtzville. You know where? If you ever driven down Waverly, from Portion Road, like you're going to the soccer fields over there and the expressway, and you see those fucking newer houses like behind the row of houses on Waverly. I lived right in there off of Country Greens. Yep. I lived in there. I lived between what the fuck was that called? Division and Portion and Waverly and Country Greens. Yeah, I've been out almost 7 years. Almost 7 years. Nayo, what's up? I don't miss New York at all or Long Island. I miss the people. Like I miss my friends that I fucking grew up with and shit. And I miss the food. I miss the fucking pizza. Pica na Sharika. I miss Little Vincent's. Stephen Cox. Oh, nice. Yeah, you probably went. Yeah, I know. I know where you would go to do shit over there. If you're flying into Islip over there, you were probably doing business like off of like fucking Veterans Memorial Highway and shit. Yeah, Little Vincent's, man. That shit always hit the spot after like fucking playing nighttime baseball on the way home. Yeah, no, I did visit. I've come back. How many times have I gone back to the East Coast? 3 times. Every time it was because someone died. Oh, yeah, Stephen Cox. Yep. Ronkonkoma is kind of big though. You almost had it there, Stephen Cox. Tyler's at gossip. You know what? Gossip is a strip club. Yeah, he's trading with their fair value gap. Yeah, they got a nice fair value gap analysis, right? Motor Parkway West off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Like, yeah, it's nice over there. Cut. I don't though. I don't know. I don't. If you want to trade the open, yeah, you got to do shit like that. The alpha owners bought gossip. You guys are still fucking with Tyler. When was the last time I was having fun in a strip club? My bachelor party. When my fucking father-in-law bought me a fucking lap dance and he was in the room next to me. Ebony's fair value gap. Coach Singh. So we're talking fucking 23 years ago. Well, no, not that long ago. I'll be married for 19 years in November. This is fucking awful. Yeah, sure, we had a nice little drop here, obviously. Almost 100, basically 100 points. But it just feels like it took for it just feels like it's moving in slow motion. Yeah, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put an order. Let me get my group activated. Cool down these nuts. That's the name of the group. Let's get this let's get this party started. Let's see if we could pass these today. No, I'm from I'm from New York. I'm from Long Island. Close. Taekwondo. But I'm not from Jersey. A new room massage. Oh, man. We'll see. Olivier, nope. I fucked him up. I suck. I'm going to get 25Ks next time. Is this really going to fucking bounce here? You fucking kidding me? Oh, shit. We're almost at fucking MOC. We're right there. Tyler. All right, we're gonna see what happens here. Is it gonna just go higher? This look at this fucking bounce. Oh, fuck me, man. I was hoping it would come down here. Investors. Olivier, I like the 25Ks also, but I have yet to get a payout on them. I have not gotten a single payout on the 25Ks. I've gotten most of my payouts on the 50Ks, and I got some on 150Ks. But I'm gonna grab some 25Ks. I'm not gonna do it now. I got these fucking Tradeifys, these trade iffies right here. This one's literally fucking 2 days away and $700 away from a fucking max payout. Well, the only type of payout I could get. I have to get the 3,000 in profit to get 1,500 on that. This one's on day one. This one's almost passed. These, that's my take profit traders. These are my trade days. They're looking good, right? I just haven't traded them yet. Do I have any groups on this? Oi. That must be the fucking end of day accounts. Time to pay attention over here, though. Maybe. I don't know. Like that right there. That was 45 points. What the fuck is that? Oh. I gotta fix that. That is not true. I'll do that after MOC. I gotta fix my bot. My chat bot. So it's fucking hot in here. Look where it rejected off of. It came here. Rejected off the bottom of this shit and like where this was. It's interesting. But it doesn't mean it's not going to go higher. This is, oh my God. This is still dog shit price action. Robert Gauss got his yay, nice. Your first Take Profit Trader Pro Plus payout. Do you have a like the OG Pro Plus, or you got one of those development fucking plans? Good shit. Well, you just did, Long Island Trader, so there you go. What are we doing here? Eric J, what up? This is the worst fucking MOC in the world. How hard can it be? 25K Pro Plus. I appreciate that, Long Island Trader. This is fucking what is this? Reports on the destruction of an American drone in an Anbar province of Western Iraq. Yemeni Foreign Minister designate Afraz al-Zuba. Security preparations are underway for the protection of Yemeni oil exports. Yemeni Foreign Minister, Houthis want direct flights from Iran to fill the gap in military support, personnel, money, and weapons. Trump, Mercedes, BMW, and Volkswagen are being decimated by Chinese cars. Trump, Europe is being taken over by Chinese cars. Iran Central Command, any attempt to... we already read that one. All right. We're on the with a 54-minute candle. Josh, what up? This MOC is fucking annoying. So it basically gave back. It just gave back everything it got on this little bounce. Let's see if it. This is fucking ass. Also, I'm running out of time because my fund of futures, shuts it down at 10 after 4. This was my only opportunity. How fucking corny. Gross. Fuck, man. Does it want to push for the VWAP? I mean, that's 40 points from this wick. This shit's so fucking annoying. Couldn't come down here and film it? This is the most fucking garbage fucking price action I've ever seen, ever. It's gonna be like this tomorrow too, right? We got any earnings or anything? Let's see. Weekly news outlook. Oh, we got PayPal before the opening tomorrow. Boeing. I don't know if JetBlue or fucking Coca-Cola are gonna do anything. Visa after the close. Ford after the close. Yo, we got Cheesecake Factory after the close. Heads up, guys. Be ready for that one. Flex. Time to upset. Meta, Microsoft, Wednesday. Damn, FOMC day. You got FOMC on Wednesday, and then you got Microsoft and Meta earnings. And Qualcomm. And Chipotle. Amazon on Thursday after the close. I didn't know Reddit was a publicly traded company. MasterCard Thursday before the open. Pretty busy week, guys. Pretty fucking busy week. What time is FOMC? Yeah, you know me. Let's see. 1 p.m. Funds rate. You got the rate announcement. 1:30. Here's where they're going to lie through their teeth. So basically, damn. Wednesday's going to be a fucking wild day. And then you got fucking Meta and Microsoft and Qualcomm. Have fun. Oh my God. Look, even the final minute. Look at this candle on the last minute going into the close. It's nothing. What a fucking nothing burger. Now something's going to happen finally? What a nothing burger. Here's MOC. Amazing. Oh, look, 618. Chat. Fucking gross. I wanted to do something, but like, I mean, really nothing going on. Sorry, chat. Vincenzo. Probably. Magic. You want to see rips? Hold on. I gotta find it. Hold up, though. It's not like the fucking candles are gonna move much. The fuck is this shit? Oh, wait. I got to do something else. I got to turn my volume on. The audio volume on. Also share system audio. There we go. You guys ready for the thunder?
Oh, isn't there a flatten all button, dude? Okay, I'm in Apex. Where do I go? Help! Fuck! You guys are so fucking annoying. Where's the button?
Bro, take it easy, guy. Take it easy. JP, what up? Yeah, yes and no. Raider, yeah, that's what happens. Hey, better you did it today than Friday going into the weekend. La Chaos. Dimitri, yeah, my boy. Hey, all I asked him was what accounts. All I asked him was what account number, what account he was up to on Apex. Because he was bragging about making like $31,000 in profits on his funded accounts that he blew a few days later. He was counting the money too soon. Well, he was doing it for marketing purposes, obviously. He was having a case of the Mondays. Investors, the money comes quick. There's only 3 or 4 firms that pay faster than Take Profit Trader. What the fuck is this shit? Raider. I feel like they used to be. TPS reports. What, is that a lot? I don't get it. Lucid, you'll get paid usually within minutes. Although the last payout I got took like 2 hours. Take Profit Trader just did speed up their speed to payout. As soon as you withdraw from your account's balance, it's going to be in your wallet. And then from your wallet to your bank account is fucking quick. It's via fucking Plaid. Half the industry. Have you ever seen some of these people, all the prop firms they promote? Trader fee took 2 hours last week. I don't have any issue with how Take Profit Trader pays faster now than it did a week ago. They just announced it. Did you miss that? Account to wallet processing is now fully automated for Tradeday Pro accounts. So instead of your withdrawal sitting in a manual queue for hours, it can now clear in seconds. It hits your wallet within seconds if you're using Tradeday. Plus, we updated dashboard balances approximately 2 hours earlier, around 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern. It's just faster. From Plaid to your bank account is not up to them. It's on Plaid once you withdraw from your wallet. I don't know why they can't do it for Rhythmic, but for Pro Plus, it's so slow because they have to withdraw the balance from your bank account. From your live account. They have to process the withdrawal through Tradeday or NinjaTrader. That's totally different. When you're trading a Pro Plus account, you're live. You have five personal accounts, courtesy of Take Profit Trader. They have to physically go in there and they have to physically log into your account and go through the withdrawal process in each account. If you have as many as 5, it's not the same thing as Sim. That's fine. I mean, you guys are drawing at straws trying to poke holes and Take Profit Trader, but that's fine. Yeah, Subi guy. Yeah, me neither. I used to get literally Subi guy from like withdrawal to money in my bank. It took 5 minutes. All of these payouts, except for the first one, obviously, because I had to set everything up. But all of this shit, 5 minutes it was in my bank account, except for this one. This one took a few hours. And then I went live. And then they told me I was going live. So I don't know what it's like now. I'll probably never know what it's like to get paid on Sim with Lucid again. Hold on. I got a dog clawing at the door. This is, well, I'm canceling these orders because obviously we're not trading with my phone in the futures. I got 2 minutes. This is fucking bullshit. What the fuck is this? Garbage price action. I have a better time watching fucking paint dry. Oh, look at gold though. You fucking serious right now? You good? Go ahead, go lay down. I guess gold was the better option. It came up and retested the 786 and went a little higher. With my fund, the futures, it would have been. And then it dropped lower. How many ticks did it drop? 918 to 8, like 80 ticks. Yeah, hot shot, yeah. But the last payout I got from Lucid, it took over 2 hours. Let me find it. Hold on. I gotta hide hold on. We all know the candles aren't gonna move. I'm gonna find it in my Gmail. I'll show you guys. Well, I can't show you because I got too much other shit. I requested at 5:22 p.m. Eastern. Payout sent. The money did not hit my bank for hours. I'm telling you. 5:40. 20 minutes later, they said payout sent. It did not hit my bank account for a while. It took a long time. I was wondering, like, what the fuck is going on? And then they pushed me live. A couple of days later. Anyway. Anywho. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't really get much to work with in terms of trading these rapids. I wanted to pass these rapids today for the stream. Didn't get to trade them. Fucking corny ass price action. Fuck this shit. Garbage. Wrong fucking accounts. Yeah, you trade if he's been slow too, but it's probably something to do with Rise. Josh, what up? Yeah, I mean, maybe next time around, maybe add one more. Marcos, what up? Marcos, I'm the same way. As long as Apex takes longer. Although, Subi guy, as long as I get paid, who cares? Exactly, Marcos. Apex takes longer than a week now. They take like 2 weeks. However, if you're trading with them live, you get your money the next day. I got my money the next day after they confirm my request. The lives get paid a fuck ton faster. Tech Review, what up? Josh, as far as I know, all I could buy are these fucking max accounts. Look, it defaults to max. Look, I can't do anything. Well, I can't look account summary. I don't have any accounts. It just it redirects me to add an account and buy a max. That's all I could do. Apex fell off from being the top dog. They still make a fuck ton of money. That's probably why they brought back the legacies. Because they're just like every other firm now. The only thing that differentiates them is the fact that you could have as many as 20 accounts. But everything else that they offer is the same shit everybody else offers. My lifetime payout with Lucid is not high. My lifetime payout with Lucid is like 35 grand before fees. Is that a lot? Yeah, I don't think, Raider, I don't think they're worried. It's so funny. If any other firm was, it was any other firm, no one would say shit. What's up, Nick? Do the legacies I don't know. I have no idea. Ask support. Again, another prop firm I can't trade sim with. I have no idea. Amon, what up? Well, they don't care about your net profit. I think did you get pushed live, Amon? Yeah, Robert Giles. Yeah, the Pro Pluses do take longer because I didn't answer your question. Someone else said something about it, I think. But yeah, they take longer because they got to pull the money out of the actual fucking live account, the personal account. It's a real account. Hey, Amon, just be happy that you're profitable, though. At least you're profitable with them. I'm fucking sitting here. This is awful. I didn't get eval banned. I went live. I'm live. So yeah, I guess I did get eval banned. They pushed me live. Traders Forge. Oh, Alan Rose, what up, man? I always fucking. Why do I always forget that that's you? I'm still learning. Yeah, I can't buy Apex evaluations. I haven't been able to since they pushed me live. But now I don't have my live account because I'm an idiot. I fucked up. I fucked it up. I could buy a second chance account, but I don't know when I'll be able to do that. I guess I gotta reach out to them and ask them. Because I have no idea. Tosef just took you live. I mean, I guess I could. I don't know why people think it's such a. A lot of people think it's a good thing. I don't think it's a. I'd rather be trading fucking. I'd rather be able to do what PW with Apex, for example. Patrick Wallen is a fuck ton more profitable than me with Apex. Maybe. At least he makes it appear that way. He's gotten a fuck ton more payouts than me from Apex. But somehow he's able to trade sim funded still. And Nutty and Alpine. I just have a feeling Alpine and Nutty are more profitable than me with Apex. But I'm the one that got graduated live. Yeah, Nick. Live sucks. Live sucks. I don't care any prop firm, except for maybe Take Profit Trader. Or any firm that lets you have more than one account, but like, sim is better. Sim is just better. Every experience I've had, sim is better. Although the Apex live account I got was the best one I've had. It was the best live account that I've had so far. I just fucked it up because I'm a dumb, greedy fuck. Or I was. Who has more accounts used? I don't know. I'd have to look. You'd have to look at his shit. I don't know what he was up to. He shows his account numbers. Full tilt. What are you talking about? PW? Live is evil backwards. Exactly. So is love. No skills. What up? Have I traded with Funded Futures family? No. Do I have any intentions of trading with them? Fuck no. I'm not into the family fucking futures prop firm. Tech, I don't know, man. Well, of the four of us, they definitely bring in more revenue for Apex. Blackout news. I don't think it's going to matter. I don't think we're going to get any fucking movement here. Trump concludes his remarks. Trump administration nears AI framework as open source questions flume. The Trump administration nears voluntary AI framework. Reports on the that's it. This is fucking brutal. I didn't get to trade at all during Power Hour. Yeah, the prop space is changing. These guys, it's all about preservation. It's all about survival for these prop firms. They need to be able to survive. They have a certain metric that they need to hit. And if they don't, they start changing the fucking plans and the rules and shit. Horace, what up? Okay, Raider. Are you trading with them? And Lucid will send you live faster than 5 payouts. I got 1 payout on the last account. I got 1 payout. It took almost 4 months from the last one, and I got pushed live. So it's the same shit. They all do the same fucking thing, bro. They all do the same shit. Not just Apex. Actually, I did harmonized. They all do the same shit. Is 34,000 big? I went 4 months without a fucking payout. I went 4 months. Look, Ree has been with Lucid and made more than that. Ree has gotten more payouts than me on Lucid. And great job. Congratulations. And he has not gone live yet. I got 1 fucking payout in 4 months and they pushed me live. So don't just say Apex, Apex, Apex. They all do the same fucking shit. It's not just Apex. It's not about Apex. I'm not touchy about that. It's just, have you guys ever noticed the pattern? Everybody's always quick to cry about Apex when all the other firms do the same shit. Ron, maybe not. Maybe not, Ron. Does it matter? Why don't you ask Nutty and Patrick and fucking Alpine and anybody else who has a channel? Ask them too. Do you ask them the same question or you just ask me? What up, Wild J? I don't know. I barely traded today. This fucking Power Hour was dog shit. Here was the Power Hour right here. Here was my stream. All I'm saying, I'm not defending Apex. It's not even about that. People are so quick to say shit about Apex when other firms are doing the same fucking thing. That's all I'm saying. You can't give the other firms a pass when Apex doing it too. Here is my stream. Jordan, this was my stream. This is what we got. Yeah, Clinvale, exactly. Shari, what's up? You got upgraded. Damn, Shari, that means you're fucking getting bank. That means you're getting a lot of payouts. Coach Singh, you don't need to defend me against Ron. I don't even know who Ron is, just some fucking troll. But I'm just curious if he asked the same questions. Guess what? The affiliate money paid for some accounts. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Does that bother you? Does that hurt your feelings? I'm just curious. Yeah, he's full of shit. And I think you're full of shit that he even said that. Because all he does is brag about how much money he makes as an affiliate. That's all he does is brag about it. He throws his affiliate revenue in everyone's fucking face. So I know you're full of shit. He's just a troll, Tyler. I mean, I don't even know why I acknowledge him half the time. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. He's just trolling. You guys don't believe his shit he says. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, people cry. Like, that makes me fucking smart. Probably a good move on my part, right? To start a channel and grow it. But no, people will cry about shit like that. It's like, No one gives a fuck about how many fucking hours how many fucking hours I put into this shit. No one gives a fuck. I show up every fucking day. People don't give a fuck. They'll just cry that because I make an affiliate money, I made it easier on myself. Yeah. Smart move. By the way, my code 0DayJ, which works at Take Profit Trader, Apex Trader Funding, Tradeday, Lucid, My Funded Futures, bulenox, and Tradeify, is the best fucking code. Let me spell it out for you guys. Here it is. I fucking earn every fucking dollar I get. When did I promote fast track trading? When did I ever tell anyone to use my code at fast track trading? I know, Coach HID. What a fucking horrible thing. By the way, I started my channel almost 3 fucking years ago. Hey, yes, what up? He'll just show up as some other fucking jerk off. He'll just show up as another name. It does not even, there's no point. He's totally trolling. What's up, buddy? You guys are falling for it. Elevated life. You passed that 150K. Good shit, man. Make it count. Make it count. Robert Gallus, we all know that. Tech review. Thank you. AS, nobody. Okay, Ron, but I don't do that. Is that why you're here watching? I don't get it. Because I don't do that. Remember, they all fucking was showing when Brian Stock lied about how much money he made from trading and posted it on Twitter, and Patrick called him out on it and said how much of that is from affiliate revenue, and he said about 30% of it, and then everybody started posting screenshots of how much money they make in his affiliate. I did not join in on that bullshit. Marcin. Wild Jay, he's just trolling. It's okay. But hey, I have Ron to thank for all the extra engagement. Why should I? I don't need to. I'm focused on the trading. I'm profitable as a trader. That's all that matters to me. Passed the My Fund the Futures Rapid on Friday, made 3. Fuck yeah. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to do something along those lines, but I could not get in. By the time I got back on the trade, the shit wasn't moving. I love to see that, Alex. Great job. Dr. Fauci. Man, like, what do we do? This is awful. I think my fucking niacin is kicking in too. I'm fucking getting hot in here. Anyway, this is fucking annoying. I can't believe this is what Power Hour was right here. See, I like the fact that I have I'm not running the light in here, but the fan's not running either, and I have no fucking ventilation in here. This is I don't know. I'm just annoyed about this fucking price action. Higher low, higher low. Yeah, blackout news. That's when the move's gonna come. Maybe it's gonna go now because it broke this tan line. Fuck it. When I hit up support, I'm not hitting up. I don't hit up support. They reached out to me after I blew the account, the live account, and then they said, they just said, you got to chill out for 2 weeks, and you could grab a max account. This is all I could grab. This is all they show me. Why the fuck would I pay $425 for this shit? Get the fuck out of here. It's not going to change anything on what I'm going to end up with, I don't think. The 50K is the one I'm going to go for. 40% consistency. So it's basically like a fucking, it's basically like a fucking, like a Tradeify select account, but it's $100. It's, it's like $80 more. Investors, they were. I got them back to 260. I got them back to plus 260, and then I blew them right after that. Because all I had to do, if all I did was just stay in my long, I would have been good. But they're gone. I don't have them anymore. There's my Take Profit Trader account. In a way, I'm kind of relieved because I want to get 25Ks. I want to see if I could fucking take 25Ks on a run. I've never gotten a single payout from a 25K. Whatever.
Order filled.
I don't even I don't even fucking care anymore. Oh, I got filled. Did you see that? The shit fucking wicked down just to fill me and then popped. You probably heard it. I didn't hear it. Too bad I'm only in one. DCA LeConte. They're great on paper. But it's like 15. I don't know. It just depends on how you trade it. Your trading style will dictate how it goes with those because $1,500 of intraday trailing is not a lot. But I've also gotten paid I got paid on a 25. I got a couple of payouts on a 25K My Funded Futures Rapid account, which you only get $1,000 of drawdown. So I feel like I would be okay. Damn, I wish I went in heavier. Is it going to get past this shit? We broke out of this fucking, whatever this is, this fucking wedge. But we'll see. You blew your 250K legacy today? TJP, you like them? You just got to be you got to be tight, right? You got to keep your trailing stop tight. Knock, knock. What up? Oh my God. iTrade. Isn't it the worst when you fucking get fucked on FOMO? Yeah, it's a real one-to-one. And you get that with Apex now too. Because you could buy the 25K legacies. You could buy 25K. I mean, the activation fee on the funded account is up there, but 25K legacies are $16.70. And then the activation fee is $125. I bet, give it some time. I bet they will do some sort of promotion with the activation fees on the legacy accounts. 141 all in for a funded 25K is, although it's a legacy account, is still up there. But you get $1,500 a drawdown on those 25K legacies. You get $1,500 on a 25K bulenox. And then you get $1,500 on the 25K take profit traders. I'm not sure what other firm offers $1,500 a drawdown on 25Ks anymore. You could do 5 packs on legacy accounts now? Oh, you're talking about, yeah. They're still 90% off on all the new accounts. They still have the 5 packs. I think the 100K is $59 all in. The all in intraday 100K is $59 all in. Oh my God. You see, guys, we broke that shit. Look, we literally had nothing. I wish I went in heavier. I wish I had 2. Oh my God, I might get 900. Right there. Are you going to fucking hit that? Oh, this is an ad. It's not even a fucking trailing stop. Hit that shit. Give me 900. Come on, Granny. No? Whatever. I'll take this. Of course, it's not going to give it to me. Did something just happen? NVIDIA CEO Huang to meet with lawmakers in D.C. this week. Nothing. Just a typical day where nothing happens all power hour, and then all of a sudden we get this move here. It's a good move. Just fucking, how many points is that? 5 points from here. I had almost 900. I know it's gonna happen. It's gonna take me out and it's gonna pop. No matter where I have my trailing stop. It doesn't matter where I put it. I guarantee you guys. Also, this is probably, we finally took a trade, the 707. See, I knew it was one of them. Look. The Jensen pull out the Huang. Tuan on. Damn, bro. This is what could happen to people with the prop firm space if you're not fucking careful. What kind of resets were you degenning on? Pro resets? Pro resets are the devil, Bobby. I'm sorry that happened, Tuan on. I hope, yeah, so pro resets are, that's exactly what, man. That's why I tell people not to fuck with them. That's exactly why. Come on, push. What size Tuan on, what size accounts were you resetting? 50Ks? 50Ks, 150Ks? $50Ks. $6.49 a pop. $6.49 a pop. That shit adds up quick. Yeah. And guys like Kyle have been able to make it work, and I've seen guys in the Discord do it, but it's not, I don't recommend it. I just don't, because this is a perfect example why. Because now you got to basically, you got to chill for a little while because you used all those fucking resets cut into your shit. And I'm sorry that happened, man. Though they do. You probably reset a fuck ton of accounts. How many accounts, how many pro resets do you think you did? Is that it? Is this all I'm going to get? Are you fucking serious? I should have fucking added when it came here. I should have fucking added. It's going to take me out. It's going to find my shit. It couldn't go up, what, 3 more fucking points? So fucking stupid. Coach Fred, yeah, it happens a lot. It happens to a lot of people. Dips and peaks, what up? Alfred, yeah. You get blown out and you think, all right, let me reset this real quick, and then fucking slam it back in the other direction or whatever, the same direction. This shit, they're dangerous. This couldn't go up just a little. Like, why? Yeah, Alfred. Tyler loves getting blown out. What's the spread right now? It's a point, 3 to 5 ticks. Can this ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna do it. I already fucking know. I already know how this is gonna play out. 3 fucking point, not even 3 points from my take profit. It couldn't go up a little bit more. I wasn't expecting it to do this either, though, but here we go. It's the same fucking shit all the time. It's gonna come to about here and it's gonna bounce. Whatever. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. I had $800 something right here, or 800. 30. $14 and 30. Dude, well, I almost had 900. I was right there. I don't even think I needed that much. 45. That's what I need. Let's see how much I fuck myself on this. We're just doing it for shits and giggles at this point. But I knew this was going to happen. Fuck yeah. Hey, Jordan, great job, Wild J. Love to see it. We love to see it. And that's the thing about this shit. Like, for every fucking, you're going to hear both sides of the fucking coin. But I feel like all of us get humbled at some point. This shit is humbling. Tuanon, this isn't the end of the road for you. You know what I mean? It's not the end for you, but you gotta see it. You gotta take the lesson and fucking not make the same mistake. You could get all of that money back. You could fucking get all of it back. You know how I know? Because I did. You know what I mean? It just might take some time. And you got to give yourself time. You got to give yourself some grace too. You know what I mean? Don't beat yourself up too much over it. Part of life is fucking up. It's what happens when you fuck up. What you do after. That's what makes us. Or breaks us. You know what I mean? I need fucking coffee. Why couldn't it just fucking why? It went down 20 points basically. Or 18 points. Stock cars and bets, yeah, it is a culture. They just literally fucking. They literally just be. You do one pro reset a week if you make good money the week before. That's different. Like I guess it's like you're reinvesting your profits. But what is that telling you? Are you blowing pro accounts every week? That's the other thing. I don't know. You trade a lot. You trade much less accounts than me. But yeah, I mean, I guess it's not a bad move. Yeah, that's yeah, Josh. I get it, bro. I get it. For every person that is not able to do that, for every person like you that was able to make it happen, there's fucking 50 people that weren't. Stock cars a bit, yeah, because he's trying to win the big pot. I knew this was going to happen.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go. Look at that. That could have been my trailing stop. Let's let it all come all the way back. I don't fucking care. I don't. It's just funny how like literally it couldn't go up a couple more points to give me my $900 day. I could have also got in. I mean, look, it was a 707 rejection. I could have also got in short. But hey, let's just add down here. Fuck it. Fuck it. This is just so fucking typical. 2 minutes, 2 points, 2 or 3 points from my take profit, and then it just pulls way back. And I just sit in the trade. I just added down here too. Yo, yeah, stock cars are best. Those dudes are sharks, man. Most of those, well, not most of them, but I mean, a lot of times those guys probably have backing too. So many killers in those 10K tournaments. I'm running out of time too. That's so fucked up. You know when it's going to do it? You know when it's going to make the move back up? When the cutoff comes and goes. The cutoff is in 3 minutes, basically. The trade day cutoff is in 3 minutes. Yep. I mean, everything, especially with social media was the beginning of that. Social media was the beginning of the end for society. Everything happens now. Nobody has a fucking attention span anymore. People are fucking doom scrolling. It was the beginning of the end. Maybe it started with reality TV. And then social media came along and just took it to a whole new fucking level. They knew that it was going to happen. That's why they fucking let it happen. Blackout News Network. Yeah. Boxing started with Dakota. That's nuts. 5 trades and made 132. I wonder what his balance is in that account. That's a curious thing. Look at this. Oh, I gave it all back. I gave it all back. How fucking stupid. I had $850 up here. And I'm running out, and I have no time left. Honestly, whatever. Bread and circuses, that's right. This whole move is gonna get fucking given back. I should have known better. It couldn't just go up a little bit more for me. Fuck, it wasn't even the 786. Whatever. We all know when this is gonna pump. Right after the 50-minute, right after the cutoff. I'm probably gonna get out of this shit red. Let's be fucking real, see? And then it's gonna pop. This is the shit I hate. Like, this type of shit makes me fucking hate trading. Coach Eddie, yeah, it's hard. It's hard, man. I used to post a lot on like Facebook and shit, but I don't anymore. Very rarely do I. I fucking knew this, dude, and I fucking let it happen. I knew it was gonna happen, and I let it happen. Watch.
Order filled.
Now watch. What did I say? We'll be higher when this market closes. I had $850, and I didn't lock any of it in. I added, and it kept going down, and now look. It's amazing. Look. The cutoff. I had to stop trading. I had to get out of the trade, or I would have lost these accounts. It's the dumbest shit ever. Now I got to trade these for an extra fucking day. I should have just taken. I shouldn't have let myself go lower than 300 in profit. Because then all I would have needed the next day was $900. Actually, shit. Yeah. Why is what just happened? Iraq, Ukrainian intelligence cells are carrying out attacks in Iraq and attributing them to resistance groups. What the fuck? We all know that Ukrainian intelligence cells is code for the US, the CIA. Did I have any evals fucking rebill? Oh, look, I could trade. Amazing. I don't know. I don't like the way I traded today. I just thought for sure it was going to push and just a little bit more to hit my take profit. And then I fucking look what happened. At least it's at least it's end of day trailing. But I fucking set myself back another day. Whatever. We'll see what happens here, just for shits and giggles. Just for shits and giggles. I'm sorry, Paul. I guess my $19 account's gonna blow. Maybe not. He blew all 5 of his Lucid live. Oh, he's live with Lucid. Well, he was. Stock cars and bets. Yeah, I mean, none of this shit existed when I was growing up. And I guess you too. So we at least we know what shit used to be like. Some people, all they know is this shit. I'm telling you, the 80s was like the best fucking time to grow up. And the 90s was amazing. The 90s was the best fucking time. Where's there what is that? Oh, probably because it's trading things. They probably did that on purpose to make it look like Top Step. It's trading things. What account am I trading? This one? He doesn't have live accounts with Apex, Ree. He just passed 20. I think he passed 20 legacies on Thursday or Friday. Miss K, tell him. Enzo. Yup. Anybody who grew up in that shit knows. I may still be in jail if social media and cameras existed when I grew up. That's fuck. Subi guy. Oh, this shit's popping now. I should probably cancel the order on this one. I wish I got filled. Look at this bullshit. Ree. Yeah. The beginning of the end. What's up, Simplistic? How am I doing? I'm doing great. How did I trade? Not to my... I didn't love how I traded today. But I did do a couple of good things. I'm 2 days away from my first payout with Tradeify. Yeah, I graduated in 97. Totally different time. Everybody hung out. We all just hung out. We would fucking meet up in crowds of a fuck ton of people and just be a problem. It was great. My kids barely go outside unless they're going out somewhere. Coach Fred, he didn't do anything to me specifically. Class of 96, no doubt. Amon was 3 in 97. Yeah. Do I like the new Lucid daily payout accounts? They look good. I don't know if they're better than Take Profit Trader. They're more like My Fund the Futures Rapids. The buffer's higher. The buffer's $100 more than Take Profit Trader, like on a 50K, for example. It's intraday trailing. I don't really see a clear advantage. Maybe on the eval side, but nah. Stock cards are best, no doubt. Trades, yeah. You know what? You know what's crazy, Nao? Nathaniel Jones, what up? You were born in 98? Hey. Good for you guys. You know, people that grew up in the 60s and 70s were worried about people growing up who grew up in the 90s, about that generation. So every older generation is going to worry about the future. But man, having being one of the last of the pre-social media era, social media fucked everything up. But at the same time, if you know how to use social media, it's a great time to be alive. The 80s and the 90s, yeah. You used to be able to fucking we used to play kick the can and shit and just run through everybody's backyard. Manhunt, all that shit. Nobody gave a fuck. Pre-internet, yeah. Yeah, we didn't have that either yet. It was just starting to happen. Felix, what's up? This couldn't just push a little bit higher, a little bit more for me. I lost all this fucking drawdown. It couldn't just push a little bit more and fucking hit my take profit. It looked like it wanted to. It will. Maybe the last minute it will. I don't know. Or it'll go back down and go lower. All I did was get Scott. Yeah. Yeah. That was like the first fucking Tinder. The original Tinder. Yeah. Yo, it's the culture, man. It's not, it's the fucking culture. There's still good girls, but you might not want to look for them on social media. Come on, one last fucking push. One last push. Oh, shit. How much time we got? 15 seconds. See, if I would have gotten in here, I would have had it. Oh, not even. Nah, yeah, almost. Oh, my God, hit it. You fucking piece of shit. Am I stuck in this trade now? I don't know what's going to happen to these accounts. I didn't get liquidated. Whoops. I didn't get to do any of that shit, bro. I didn't get to do any of that. Not that I'm complaining. I missed out on all of it. I wonder what happens now. We're going to fucking gap up or down and I'm going to be fucked. Can I X out? I can't close this position. Yeah. Sending exit position. It ain't gonna, I mean, the market's closed. No, I don't think it's blown. I don't think that happens with bulenox. But it might blow when the market reopens. If we gap down, I'm fucked. Permission denied. Maybe it is blown. No, I have more active accounts. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Positions. Yeah, I'm in a position right now. I can't. It's not going to let me. Oh, well. Orders. Sell. Where is it? 215. Yeah, see, they never got. Yeah, there they are. I was looking at gold. It's still on the screen. So whatever. They do have the best. Their support's fucking great. Their support is amazing. I'm not going to, I'll just, it's a rhythmic thing. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Simplistic, exactly. Same shit here. Same shit here. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. It's been a pleasure. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. You got to grab accounts anywhere like Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeday, Lucid, bulenox, My Fund the Futures, or Tradeify. Use the best fucking code 0DayJ. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully, it'll be better than this dog shit. But I have a feeling it's going to be very similar. I'll see you guys soon, all right? Oh, and join the Discord. If you're not yet in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, it's free for now. Here's the link. I'm going to pop it in here one time. It's the best fucking community right here. Right fucking here. It's free for now. All right, guys. Thanks again.